so today I'm Victoria's World. Today you can call me Victoria. And today we have the NES. Well, it's called the Super Nintendo Entertainment System. And my dad used to have the old NES, but I think at Target it's called the Genesis, but I think that's the classic. But this one is the Super, and it has the classic on the top with the controllers. And this year they have 21 games, and plus the never released Star Fox 2. And I am so really excited because this was sold out everywhere. And we were so lucky to find it at Target, the last one. So let's get opening. So there's a little pull tab here, which is very hard because I don't want to rip the box, because we always keep the boxes, and so we can store them. And yeah, so you flip it this way, pull it in. It's very good packaging, very. So you flip flaps again, you pull this out, I think. Hope I'm opening it the right way. This is very, I've never opened one of these boxes. My mom always does it, or my dad. So, this is very good packaging. I really want to rip this box, because this is so hard. Hey guys, finally got it. So, first you see the word Nintendo and their logo. And I'm not going to open that because usually I always read it. So, first we have the controller, and here's the wire. I thought this would be wireless, but nope. I'm not gonna open the wrap because then it's gonna go everywhere. So it is a lot. I think it's the same size as the old one, but I'm not sure because I've never seen it. But my parents probably did, but I don't know. So I'm really excited. This feels so nice. It smells like cardboard. So yeah, let's open the second one, which looks the same. Looks the same. So we can get those out of the way. Let me get that trash out of the way. Like that, side by side. Nothing different, but we're just gonna do that. So here is the charging block, which if I can get out. Here's the charging block. It says Nintendo on the back, like the Nintendo Switch did, but this one does not have the cord with it. But here's the very long cord. It is very thick. I am not going to take it out because usually it gets all tangled. You know how that roll works. So we're gonna get this out. So this is kind of the console part, but it's not. It's a console, but I pronounced it wrong. It is a lot smaller than the old one. This one is about, I would say 6 to 8 inches. I think the last one was about a foot or 2. And this one is a lot smaller, so like you can just pack it and you can just take it around. And these controllers aren't very bulky, so you can take them on airplanes, but you might need a screen. So on the bottom, you see the directions, not the directions, but the device stuff on it. And so anyway, there was the last cord, which we have. I think this one goes to here. So I'm gonna start explaining. So now here's the ebook, which I already showed you, and there's the back, which I didn't show you. And so we're gonna wrap this up. So bye guys. Subscribe, like, follow my social media, and follow my mom's Facebook. Bye.